How to change your screen time password without knowing that password. So what you have to do firstly is you're gonna have to click on your setting option right here, go to settings. Then once you are in settings, you're gonna have to scroll down, click on screen time right here. It should be the fourth option under focus. So just click on that. Now from here, you're gonna have to scroll down slowly. Then once you scroll down, it should bring you to this page right here. As you guys can see, I do have the screen time and I don't know the password. So just go back right here. And once you go back, you should scroll down, click on change screen time password. Just click on that. Click on change screen time password. Now from here, you're gonna have to click on forget password. You're gonna have to put in your email. Then once you put in your email, click on OK. Then it should take you to this page right here. Click on your password and put in your password. Once you put in your password again, click on OK. Now from here, as you guys can see, it's telling me to put in my new screen time password. So just put in your new screen time password. Then it's gonna tell you to verify it again. So just put it in again. Then as you guys can see, it's gonna say screen time password recovery. You guys could put this if you guys want, but I'm gonna just click on cancel. And as you guys can see, it should give you this option right here. Are you sure? I'm gonna just click on skip. Now my screen time password has changed. Now if I want to turn this off, I'm gonna just scroll down, click on turn off screen time. Now from here, I'm gonna just put in my password. And as you guys can see, it should say turn off screen time. Just click on that. Screen time has been turned off. So this would have helped you. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.